how to reset end-to-end encrypted chat pin on Messenger. Hi everybody, welcome back. In this following video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you reset end-to-end encrypted chat pin on Messenger. So for that, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So basically, there are two different methods you could do it. So first of all, what you could do is actually, if you've forgotten your pin, then you could actually go ahead and click on need help and you could then reset your pin. If you already know the pin and you still want to go ahead and make sure to reset it, then you'll have to make sure to launch to the Messenger application first of all. And when you are logged into your account, you want to click on the menu bar from the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then head over to the settings section and then you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit. Right on this page, you want to find this section privacy and safety. After which, what you want to do is you want to go to this section of end-to-end encrypted chats. Then you could go ahead and click on message storage. And after you go to this section, you could see how do you restore your chat history. Then you could just click on reset pin. Here you could go ahead and create a new pin. Now for example, I'm just going to go ahead and create it. And once again, for the confirmation, you want to type in twice. And once you've done it so, click the submit button in the top right hand side corner of your screen. And as you've done it so, you've successfully reset your pin. And like I said before, if you are not able to access your Messenger account because you've forgotten your pin, then you could just simply go ahead and click the need help options and then reset your password. So you just have to make sure to verify your identity by entering some of the code and all that. And with that being said, you'll have successfully reset the end-to-end encrypted chat pin on Messenger. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.